Your Ninja Foodi Deluxe includes the Deluxe Reversible Rack, designed to bring even more versatility to your cooking experience. The Deluxe Reversible Rack is made of stainless steel and is dishwasher safe. The two-piece design maximizes capacity and supports your cooking creativity. There are 3 different positions that can be used to suit any recipe. Use it in the lower position to steam veggies and other delicate ingredients. Use it in the higher position to boil proteins. Add the deluxe layer to cook up to 2 times the proteins or create deluxe servings of your 360 meals. Deluxe 360 Meals enables you to create a family-sized full meal with mains and sides all in one pot. To create Deluxe 360 Meals, add grains and liquid to the bottom of the pot. And then add the rack in the Deluxe assembly. After pressure cooking, remove the Deluxe layer and add your sides. Replace the Deluxe layer and use air crisp or broil to finish your proteins with a crisp. Visit ninjakitchen.com for recipes that use the Deluxe Reversible Rack. For more information, visit ninjakitchen.com.